would say just automation and centralization. I think there's and a lot of operators are looking for kind of all in one kind of software platform or partnerships. And you kind of touched on it earlier, Melissa, about freedom of choice, partnerships, and integration side of things. But I see a lot in just the automation in the last few years about around automation centralization. Some of the key things I'm seeing.
Yeah, I think I can build on that. I mean, what I tend to see is as we start to look at the whole tenant lifecycle and bringing a suite of solutions together, and how we now with a consolidated database data structure can apply automation in ways that we haven't been able to before, deliver intelligence because we can see holistically through that tenant lifecycle. We can automate that experience, improve that overall experience, but also then use data and analytics in ways that we haven't in the past to be able to optimize both the tenant experience and the business.
Yeah, I was right there with them, like just being able to having the data to understand who your tenants are. That never existed before, right? People showed up, they bought a lock, they moved their stuff in. But with all of this technology and all the different vendors that we see out there, they all just help us garner a better understanding of who it is that rents with us, so that we can cater to them better.
Yeah, and I think unmanned facilities, is definitely like the automation part of that is key. And then I think what we've started to see more of is a shift of like this kind of customer centric look at, the online booking portal, for example. It's actually putting your customers or getting into the seat of the customer experience more so than, what's it like as an operator to operate. It's like at the end of the day, you have to service your customers. So what's their experience online, and how can you learn from other platforms out there, that are kind of doing something similar, right, in terms of online booking and customer experience. So that's kind of, we're seeing more of like a customer centric look at designing software.